Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this a smoky makeup look for Eid festival. So if you want to see how to create this easy smoky makeup look, then keep on watching. Before proceeding, please subscribe to my channel and also share this video with your friends and families. First of all, happy Eid for all of you who are watching this. To start off the makeup, I have taken the my concealer and I have nicely applied on my lid area, and I'm sealing it with a Lakme powder so that it will act as my base. Next, I'm taking a purple burgundy color from the palette Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shades. This is their a beautiful palette which has all matte shades in it, and I'm using just two colors from the same palette. I'm just applying this burgundy pink shade on my crease area. You can see I'm just depositing the color on my outer V area and I'm dragging it inwards so that it will be nicely spread and we don't have any harsh edges. From the same palette, I am taking a beautiful blue color and I am applying all over my lid area. This is a bright blue color. I am creating the smoky look using a blue today. If you want, you can use black as well, but I wanted this look to be little different, so I have used the blue to smoke out my eyelid area. Nicely applying that blue color. This is a matte blue color and all over my eyelid area, and I'll be blending that with the burgundy shade which I have applied in my crease area, using the same brush which we used in my previous step to apply the grease color. When you are creating a smoky look, it's very important to blend out nicely without any harsh edges. Once you have nicely blended out, I am applying the kajal. I have taken the gel kajal from the brand Maybelline Gel and I am applying it using my Real Technique brush. I am not creating a wing sort of thing, but I am applying a very bold liner because in the smoky look, eyeliner is a must and it has to be bold as well. So taking my time in creating a beautiful liner very close to my lash line, making as thick as you need. You can create a winged out of it as well. You can see I'm just creating and softening the liner and I'm intensifying the color as well. Take time. Once I am happy with the eyeliners, I am going back to my base. For the foundation, I have taken the two base foundation for today, that is a Maybelline and also L'Oreal Paris. I am just mixing the two colors on back of my hand and I'll be dotting it all over my face area. L'Oreal Paris gives you a full coverage and the Maybelline is Satin Lumin gives you a soft finish to my dry skin. So I have mixed both the foundation and I'm just blending that foundation using my beauty blender. I have soaked the beauty blender with a makeup fixing spray so that my base sticks to my skin very nicely. So take your time in blending the base. For the concealer, I have used my LA Pro concealer and I am just applying under my eye area in a V format. When you are using a smoky eyes, it is very necessary to highlight the under eye area without any darkness, otherwise you end up looking dull and also sleepy. So apply nice concealer and I am blending out using the same blender like that. Once you apply the concealer, your eyes will pop out like anything. Once the concealer are nicely set, I'll be setting that using my MAC Studio Fix. Sorry, my camera was out of focus and I didn't notice. I have used a MAC Studio Fix and I'm setting the concealed area all over my face like that. And for the blush, I have used the Maybelline V palette and I'm applying the blush. For the kajal, I have used my Faces Canada kajal and I am tightlining my lower waterline. I am just taking the kajal below the waterline as well because I will be smoking it out using the same blue eyeshadow what I have applied on my upper lid area. So I have went little heavy with my kajal today. You can see right over here I am nicely tightlining and taking little lower the waterline and I am applying the kajal. Taking the same blue eyeshadow what I have applied in the lid and I am smoking it and also smudging the kajal what I have applied. This will create a very beautiful smoky eye look what we are going to achieve. For the blush, I have used the Maybelline Navi palette, and I am just applying it on my apples of my cheeks. And also I have used the sugar highlighter that have missed the clips, sorry for that. For the lipstick, I have taken the Maybelline crayon lip crayons, and I am applying it. It's in the shade nude. You can leave the look right over here, but I want a little pop of colors in my lips as well, so I went back with the Lakme lipstick, which is a red matte lipstick, and I am applying it over the Maybelline nude. So this will give you a peachy kind of a look, so that's complement very nicely with the eyeshadow what I have applied. So I am applying the Lakme red lipstick over my nude color to get a nice pop of the color on my lip area as well. Sorry for missing out the highlighter clip video, I misly deleted that. So I applied the sugar highlighter on highest points of my cheeks and also on inner corners. So that's the end look. I have just paired up with an earring. Hope you have enjoyed this video. It's a very easily creatable smoky eye look for your Eid festival. Hope you have enjoyed this. If so, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button next to the subscribe button so that you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.